The information in this video is not a substitute for the advice of a lawyer. Please contact your local lawyer referral service or the State Bar of Texas Lawyer Referral Service at 800-252-9690 for help finding a lawyer. If your license was suspended or revoked, but you need to drive, you may be able to ask the court for an occupational driver's license. An occupational driver's license is a restricted license that allows you to drive during certain hours to certain places under certain conditions. You may be able to get an occupational driver's license if you need to drive to work, to school, or to carry out essential household duties, and you don't have access to public transportation. However, you cannot get an occupational driver's license to drive a commercial vehicle if your license was suspended because of mental or physical disability, if the judge is concerned about your driving safety, or if the judge doesn't believe that you have an essential need to drive. Now, for the first step in requesting an occupational driver's license, you will need two forms: a petition for occupational driver's license and an occupational driver's license order. You can pick these forms up at the Travis County Law Library on 11th and Guadalupe, or you can print these forms out online at www.texaslawhelp.org. Step 2. Fill out the petition for occupational driver's license and attach the following: a certified copy of your driving record, which can be found at texasonline.com and then choose driving record, an SR-22 certificate of insurance, a copy of the order suspending your license, a letter or affidavit from your employer that verifies your work schedule, verification from your school of your class schedule, or any other documentation that shows your essential need to drive. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary, and there may be a fee required with that. On to the third step. If your license was suspended because you were convicted of a DUI, file the petition in the county or district clerk's office where your license was suspended. If your license was suspended for another reason, you may file the petition in the county or district clerk's office where you live. The fourth step is to attend an uncontested hearing and explain why you have an essential need to drive. Fill out the occupational driver's license order form and bring it with you to your hearing. The state may have a lawyer there to oppose you getting a license if it was suspended for any of the following reasons: a criminal homicide, DUI, intoxicated assault, intoxicated manslaughter, or you were under 21 and your license was suspended. The state's lawyer may try to convince the judge not to give you a license. The judge will listen to both sides and make a decision. If the judge decides to let you drive, he or she will sign the occupational driver's license order form and mark the restrictions. You can move on to step 5 if the judge signs the order. File it with the clerk's office and get at least 3 certified copies. Remember, the order is not your occupational license. It's the order granting your license. To get your occupational license, you must send these items into the Texas Department of Public Safety: a certified copy of your occupational driver's license order, a certified copy of your petition for occupational driver's license, an original SR-22 certificate of insurance, and any fees required by the Texas Department of Public Safety to get your license. They only accept check or money order via the mail. Asking for an occupational driver's license can be complicated. Even if you decide to represent yourself, try and speak with a lawyer before you file your petition to ensure you understand how the law applies in your particular case.